This one line of code silently corrupts your data, a silent bug that breaks React apps, Vue stores, and Node services. Here's exactly why and how to stop it in 3 characters. Creates a constant named state initialized with an object containing a user property set to the string Alice, establishing the initial application state. Creates a constant named update holding an object with a single role property set to admin, representing new data to be merged into the existing state. Outputs to the console the current value of state using the label before, providing visibility into the state before mutation occurs. Applies Object.assign to mutate state directly by copying all enumerable own properties from update into it, overriding or adding properties as needed. Outputs to the console the updated value of state using the label after assign, confirming that the merge operation successfully modified it in place. Constructs a new object by spreading all properties from the current state into a fresh literal, creating a shallow copy named safeState that is independent of future mutations to state. Outputs to the console the value of safeState using the label safe_copy, verifying it contains the same data as the merged state at that moment. Always treat Object.assign target as mutable, clone first with the spread operator to stay safe. Subscribe for daily coding videos.